Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can restore already closed tabs in your spaces on Workona. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the Workona extension installed in the browser you're using. I'm going to use it on Chrome for demonstration purposes. And navigate also to the space here to the left you would like to use. For example, a space where, let me go with that space here because I have saved, as you can see, several tabs in that space. So let me just close these two tabs here for demonstration purposes. And let's assume I did that accidentally, or you did that accidentally. Now you'd like to restore these. As you can see, they have been deleted from that list of saved tabs, but you can add them anytime to that list again by restoring them. So to do that, you will need to click into that Restore Previous Tabs button here. And here, guys, you will need to go back in time to restore past or accidentally closed tabs. Click into this button to do that. And again, if you, for example, deleted two of these tabs, and there you go, as you can see, these two have been restored. If I click into them, they will be opened and restored in these tabs and also added to that list. And that's it. You may, of course, also bulk select them and restore all of them at once, or you simply do that one by one, like I did just a moment ago, guys. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.